Hey, amazing teachers! You know that moment when students walk in, drop their backpacks, and immediately ask, "Are we doing anything fun today?" Well, yes, actually, we are. Grab a random box, bag, or even a dramatic looking Amazon package, call it your mystery box, and watch the class instantly sit up straighter. Put anything inside, an image, a silly object, a mini whiteboard drawing, and reveal it slowly in the target language. For example, plot a rubber duck and say it in the target language. This duck has a secret. You'll get instant curiosity and 10 minutes of pure, joyful input. Want concrete strategies? Try a partial reveal. Cover most of the picture with sticky notes and only peel back one corner at a time. Start with a target language question like, is this an animal or a disaster? Students guess, negotiate meaning, argue with each other productively, and you haven't even shown the whole thing yet. Or place two objects in the box, a spoon and a tiny superhero figurine, and ask in the target language, who is the real superhero today? Their predictions become bite sized target language output. And suddenly your room feels like a live crime documentary, but with more gesturing and less paperwork. For a super quick win, use the mystery box as your story starter. Reveal a single object and let students brainstorm what happened before or after. Put in a broken pencil, a squishy toy, or a half eaten cookie. Yes, it works. Ask in the target language, who did this? Why? Is this normal? 5 minutes of spontaneous target language input. Done. And if you want tons of ready to use story images, prompts, and slides that make Mystery Box reveals ridiculously easy, check out the CI Survival Kit with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. Trust me, it's the prep hack we all deserve. Happy comprehensible input.